Move by the Biden administration to protect domestic industries. The Biden administration has issued an important guideline regarding federal government projects. For any construction from a bridge to a water pipe, materials generally produced within the US should be purchased. Biden underlines his policy. He explained last week, "From day one, every action I have taken to rebuild our economy has been guided by one principle: Made in America." It takes the federal government that actually resorts to action and not one that just gives lip service to buying American. The words of Celeste Drake, director of Made in America at the White House Office of Management and Budget, is to be added to this. There are going to be additional opportunities for good jobs in the manufacturing sector. And as we are looking at boosting American content, the big corporations are going to create opportunities for small and medium-sized enterprises in the US as supply chains are partially restored to try and meet the content standards. The Democratic president is hopeful of bringing down price pressure by promoting domestic production. Inflation is at a 40-year high in the US now. The US suppliers will be prioritized for procuring goods including raw materials for the $700 billion purchase the government makes every year. The Federal Reserve is expecting more from the manufacturing sector. Compared with the 1979 peak, manufacturing jobs have shrunk by 6.9 million. There's a shortage of 170,000 jobs when compared with 2019. After this, job opportunities further decreased due to the pandemic. Now, a reversal means adding more factories because the existing manufacturers are operating at a 78.7 capacity for now. The administration, while trying to promote domestic industries, shouldn't be a favorism that mars the projects. As a precaution, the Biden administration has included 3 waivers. They are: 1. If the purchase is inconsistent with the public interest. 2. If the materials needed are not available in sufficient amounts and reasonably available quantities or of a satisfactory quality. 3. If the project cost increases more than 25% when the US materials are used.